A WinSpec spectroscopy data file contains scientific spectral measurements, light intensity data captured by Princeton Instruments detectors for research analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, analyze, or convert these spectroscopy data files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult SPE files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. SPE files are spectroscopy data files from Princeton Instruments, WinSpec, and LightField software. They contain spectral measurement data including intensity values, wavelength calibration detector parameters, and acquisition metadata from CCD and InGaAs scientific imaging detectors. Princeton Instruments SPE files use a binary format with a 4100 byte header containing detector dimensions, data type calibration, coefficients, exposure settings, and experiment metadata, followed by raw spectral frame data in integer or floating point format. System file recognition for SPE is optimized for WinSpec by Princeton Instruments. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows lacks the ability to interpret domain-specific data, so specialized applications are necessary. To open this specific SPE file, right-click your file and select Open With. If WinSpec is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your SPE file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Dealing with a truly persistent SPE file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, opening the file. Install Princeton Instruments, LightField, or WinSpec to open SPE files natively. Alternatively, use the free SPE File Viewer or import SPE files into scientific analysis software, such as MATLAB Python, with the SP2PY library or Igor Pro for data visualization. Next, analyzing spectral data. After opening the SPE file in analysis, software apply wavelength calibration using the embedded calibration coefficients. Plot intensity versus wavelength for spectral analysis. Use peak-fitting tools to identify spectral features and extract quantitative measurements. Finally, exporting to CSV. Use LightField's export feature or Python's SPE2PY library to convert SPE data to CSV format for analysis in Excel or other software. Export the wavelength and intensity columns as comma-separated values for sharing with collaborators using different analysis platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.